Kia has started production of its new Sorento Hybrid, representing the first application of electrified power in Kia's global flagship SUV. Built to Kia's exacting production standards, the new fourth-generation Sorento is manufactured at Kia's Hwasung production facility in Korea, with hybrid, gasoline and diesel variants of the SUV assembled on the same production line. The first hybrid models to roll off the production line are destined for the European market, and the car will also soon enter production for North America at Kia's West Point, Georgia, USA production plant. The outgoing third-generation Sorento, built on the same production lines, has won several quality accolades throughout its life cycle. The new model will benefit from the same high production standards and quality controls. The Sorento has been a mainstay of Kia's global lineup for almost 2 decades. More than 3 million Sorento models have been sold worldwide since it was launched in 2002. European sales of the fourth-generation Sorento are due to commence in the third quarter of 2020. The car will be available to order in most of Kia's global markets by the end of the year.